Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make this square pattern. It might be used in scarves, tablecloths or blankets. We will start from the magic ring. Grab the yarn, make it cross around your finger, grab the hook, put it under the cross, grab the working yarn, bring it up and secure it with one chain. Now you can remove your finger and we will work in this ring. Make 8 more chains. 3 chains will be to bring up the yarn and 6 for the arch. Total with secure chain will be 9. Now make 1 double crochet into the ring. Make it tight. And again 6 chain for the arch. 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet into the ring. 6 chain, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet into the ring. We need to make 4 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can tie the ring and make last arch of 6 chain, 6, and join into the chain 3 with slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 over here. Slip stitch. Ready. Now we can tighten it more till it will be no hole in the middle. The first round is ready. Second round. Make 1 chain. Now we will work under this arch. 1 single crochet, 3 chain to bring up the yarn. Now we will make 7 double crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we can move it a little bit. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet under the same arch to complete this petal. That's how it looks like. Next petal, go to the next arch, single crochet, 3 chain, and again 7 double crochet under the same arch, 3 chain and single crochet, and make 2 more till the end. Total will be 4 petals. Ready. Now I need to join it with a slip stitch right over here into the chain. We make slip stitch. Now to start next row, round number 3, we need to go on top of this petal. We will make it using slip stitches. 1, 2, this is 3, and on the top of the chain 3 we will make the 4th one. Ready. Now we can make 1 chain to bring up the yarn. Into the same loop we will make single crochet. In this round we will make arches. Large one will be 11 chains and small one between petals will be 3 chain. We will start from the large one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Into the third chain, right over here, into the top, we will make single crochet. Now make small chain arch. It will be 3 chain into the first corner and the 2 loops. Try to work on the 2 loops. We will make single crochet and so on. 11 chain arch, 3 chain arch, 11, 3 chain. Continue till the end. I'm about to finish this round. Now I need to join it into the single crochet. I will make slip stitch. Ready. Next round. Round number 4. We will work under this arch. First of all, we will make slip stitch under this arch. Now we need to make 3 double crochet cluster. For the first one, we will make 3 chain, yarn over, go under the arch, bring it up, unfinished double crochet, and another unfinished double crochet, yarn over, work through 3 loops at once. Now make 3 chain arch, and again we will make 3 double crochet cluster. At this time we have 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through all 4 loops, move, make 3 chain arch, and continue till we get 6 3 double crochet clusters or 6 puff stitches with 3 chain arch between each of them. This is 4, 1, 2, 3. This is 5th one. Three chain between, and the last one. Ready. 6 puff stitches with 3 chain between. Now we will work under this small arch. 3 chain, single crochet into the small arch, 3 chain, and continue on a large arch again. And make 6 puff stitches with 3 chain between. Repeat the same way for 3 other arches. I am almost done with round number 4. Now I need to join. To join, I need to insert the hook under these 3 loops of crochet cluster. See, from the wrong side, I insert the hook, grab the yarn and bring from all loops at once. Now, next round, round number 5, we need to tie up all around. we will make slip stitch under the next arch, 1 chain to bring up the yarn. Now work under the same arch, 2 single crochet, 3 chain picot, 1, 2, 3. Now insert the hook under these 2 loops, grab the yarn and make single crochet from all loops at once. Now make 2 single crochet under the same arch. That's how it looks like. Next arch, again 2 single crochet, 3 chain picot, insert the hook under these 2 loops, grab the yarn and make slip stitch, and again 2 single crochet and the same arch. Continue for these 3 arches the same way, and I will show you how to work between. My 5 picots ready, 6 clusters, 5 picots between. Now between the petals make 3 chain, single crochet into the single crochet of previous round, make it tight, and again 3 chain and go under the next arch between clusters, 2 single crochet, 3 chain picot and 2 single crochet under the same arch. Continue the same way till the end. I've completed round number 5. Now I need to join it into the single crochet with slip stitch. Ready. Now we can cut the yarn, hide all the tails, and our motif will be ready. If you want to join them together, you can use them between picots or during the picot. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much and see you later.